Hey everyone, I welcome all of you to GK online class. Children, it is so hot today, right? Isn't it too much hot? So, it is very important for us to drink lots of water in these hot days. And also, it is equally important to water the plants. Okay, children? Why? Why is it important to take care of plants? Because plants and trees help us in many ways. They give us food that we eat. They give us medicines. Yes, they give us shade so that we can sit and take rest on very hot days. They also give shelter to many animals, like who lives on a tree? Good, monkey. Now, who can tell me, children, who else lives on a tree? Okay, I will give you some hints. They have beautiful feathers on their body. They also have very strong beaks. Yes, they have two beautiful wings so that they can fly very up in the sky. Yes, so can you guess now, children? Yes, very good. We are talking about birds. Yes. Now, children, how about we draw a bird today but in a different way? Yes? You must be thinking how, right? So come, let's see. So, what is the number you can see here, children? This is 2 to 22, right? This is also 2 to 22. Now, we will see that how can we draw bird with these numbers. I am using this page to draw. You can use any other page of your choice also. Okay, so now let's begin.